Hello friends, in this video we are going to see what is JDK, how to set path, how to download Eclipse and how to use it, what is JVM, what is JRE, what is JDK. So start with if you have .java file, it is also called source code. So when you compile it, it gives you .class file or bytecode. Okay, .class file or bytecode. But this .java file cannot understand by JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine, and JVM is responsible for your execution. So JVM cannot understand .java file, but JVM can understand your .class file. So I mark it cross. It cannot understand your .java file, but it can understand your .class file or bytecode. So next question is, where is JVM? So what is JVM? JVM is Java Virtual Machine. It cannot understand your source code, but can understand bytecode, okay, or .class file. So where is JVM? So JVM is in JRE. Okay, JVM is in JRE. So what is JRE? So JRE is Java Runtime Environment. It provides libraries to execute your programs. Okay, so JRE consists of JVM plus set of libraries. Okay, so next question is, where is JRE? So JRE is in JDK. Okay, so what is JDK now? So JDK is Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit, it means it consists of JRE, JVM plus some additional tools which is required for your development. Okay, you need some tools to compile your program. So this JDK provide all the features, like it provides development tools, JRE, JVM, all this. So you have to download this JDK, because once you have JDK, you can execute your programs, you can run your program. Okay, so how to download JDK? So the first requirement is JDK. So go on your Google, on Google, you type JDK 9 download. On the first link you click, and according to your platform, if you have Linux, OS, or whatever, Windows, so let us say, you can download it by this link. Okay, so after downloading it, go on your download section, and you can see this JDK is now downloaded. So by double clicking it, you can download it. I have already, so I am not going to install it. So just double click on it and then download. So again you will see in your C drive, in your program file. Okay, go in program file, you see there is a Java folder. Okay, after installing it, you will see a Java folder. Just click it and you will see both JDK and JRE. Okay, I was talking about, if you have JDK, you have JRE also, because JDK is superset. Okay, if you have JDK, then you have JRE, you have JVM. Okay, so once you download JDK, install it, go on your C drive, then go in your program files, then file in Java, then in this JDK file click it, and this bin folder, there are lots of many other folder, but focus on this folder, bin folder. Just click it. Okay, and then here you can copy this path. If you copy this path, then you have to the first step is done. Okay, that download of JDK is done, installation is done. So next step is how to set path. Set path is very important. Okay, so just go on properties. Okay, properties, you can see, just go in this PC and properties, you will see this type of screen. Then select this advanced system settings. Okay, then go on environment variables. Okay, here you will see, okay, I have already, okay, I'm going to delete this. So you will see user variables for your username. For my username, this is Harshit. So go on new, on variable name, set path and variable value. So you have to paste the path. Okay, just okay, and here okay. And now go on your command prompt by typing cmd. Okay, so check if your JDK is properly installed or not. Just write Java, okay, and enter. If something like that, something like this is displayed, it means you have successfully installed your Java. Okay, so second step is also done, that is how to set path. And now is how to download Eclipse and how to use it. So Eclipse is an IDE. Okay, so where you are writing your programs, this is also required, this is also important. So you can write your programs on Notepad also, but it is recommended just go on Google and here you will search Eclipse. Okay, Eclipse download. Go on the first link and you will see here. So you can download this 64-bit. Okay, so click on this link and download it. Once you download it, go on your download section. Here you will see you have downloaded Eclipse. Just double tap on it, double click on it, and it will install in your system. And after installing it, JDK Eclipse is installed. So how to use it? This is very good question. So go on file, you can select your new Java project. You can name your project. Okay, I name it test. Okay, test. Then you can, here you can see your version. You can change your version also, but Java SE 9. And go on next. This will build your project. Okay, so finish. Here is asking create a module information, so just create it. Okay, and now you will see my project is created. Okay, so I have already done something, so ignore all this. We are going to talk about all this in detail, but you see here we have test. Okay, this is our project, this is our project. And you will see we have a test. We have, if you open test, you will see JRE, system library, source. So once, so source is where you can put your dot class files, sorry, Java files. Okay, so here you can select class and anything. Okay, so this is all about how we can download Eclipse and how to use it. We are going to see in next videos how to write our first program. So done this all 3 step: download JDK, set your path, download Eclipse. Okay, and I have told you what is JVM, what is JRE, what is JDK. So thank you guys.